Over the last several years, there's been a significant increase in the rate of consolidation in medical technology and medical supplies, driven in large part by the belief that scale drives increased profitability, presumably due to better customer leverage, pricing power, and cost controls. But Bain's analysis has shown that there's little, if any, correlation between scale and profitability. Rather, we've developed Bain's Category Leadership Index to deconstruct each company into the categories in which they participate and measure their relative strength. There is, in fact, a high correlation between category leadership and profitability in medtech. The key here is that the categories are defined by the customers. That is, how does a given physician type or procurement manager buy? What is their span of decision authority? For example, a category might include orthopedic implants, power tools, and surgical instruments, which typically a manufacturer would consider 3 distinct product platforms. So what are the benefits of category leadership? First, feet on the street of specialized sales resources, which is better case coverage, better access to as many customers as possible. And that contributes directly to another benefit, which is better customer insight. You're the first to pick up on new emerging unmet needs or developments in clinical care that require changes to the portfolio. There's also a benefit in commercial models. What can you bring to market beyond just price for product? Is this risk-sharing models, product bundles, or value-added services? Category leaders or leaders in the market have priority access to large-scale RFPs and tenders. Those that are 4th, 5th, or beyond in the market are often blocked out because they don't get into those processes or aren't competitive in those processes. And category leaders tend to be partners of choice for new products or technology platforms seeking to access the market. And category leaders have the ability to pay more for them because ideally they're able to create the maximum amount of economic value from them. And then finally, and this is a longer-term benefit, category leaders will have the ability to collect the economic and clinical data that over time will help them demonstrate what the impact is on the quality and total cost of care in which those products are being used. All of this is based on the foundational principle that customers buy best of breed. They don't buy one-stop shop. That doesn't mean that a company shouldn't be in multiple categories. It means that within each of those categories, they need to have or have a path towards category leadership over time. And that means that in medical technology, depth trumps breadth.